county ya Kisii asengo kumenyabuna litkolia lero omobunge onyalibali chacheza Jhanda niga bakagotalira chiskuru ase orogongoro nabo igokorwa obokonyi bwechibesa obora chigosira chiskuru koeneke bnankwaga chabale chinyomba choboraro nabo igo ebirasi okwana kurase chiskuru echoni igo abagakoganeria amaya aborokigwa abo bagendete kwerobire bwikirano asenge ncho ya matemo amanene ayora bekago korekana bwango iga matuko abosio molikicho Mildred Momanyi nabakagotalira chinseme cho nabo igo gotwariganeria oroboti rokubwatia
omobunge onyalibali chacheza Jhanda nigo akora etaro yaye ase chiskuru imeye bunge yo iliokorwa obokonyi bwechibesa echo kirachigokonya ase nsemo yobwagachi ase chiskuru ase gati yabo ere echinyomba chokorara amone birasi gati echiskuru chiria atalira ngamone skuru ya sekondari ya Riondonga eye sekondari ya Irondi gati echinde chinyinge asara chekogendra gotalira chiskuru chansi imeye bunge yo asebono asemia abaroki wakobeka omukia asa masomabo.
I am encouraging you to work extra hard to achieve your dreams. I also want to remind you to remember the background where you come from, how much your parents, your guardians are working tirelessly to ensure that you go to school, they pay for your school fees. You can also be a member of parliament. You can be an engineer. You can be a pilot from Riondonga Secondary. Tunaelewana? Those ones who will get A's, you can be rest assured you will have a full scholarship for the next 4 years in the university. For those ones who are going to get B's, I want to promise you that I, as your member of parliament, will ensure for 4 good years mutaenda shule without any problem. So the decision is yours.
Ase chinga kecho nigo akwanira gati yemerobelio elia agendrete kobeka ase gokonya chiskuru imeye bunge eyo nasagania abateneri be chiskuru go chakobeka omokya ase koene kyabuna chiskuru ngo chagokora chirebuya
muongeze. What is there is not bad, but it's not very promising. But I am sure that because I know where you came from, you have done wonders. And I want to encourage you and assure you of my unwavering support to this school. We are going to send a team of my people who will come to this school to nurture talent. Because talent also pays. We are going to add new classrooms and a dormitory. I'm going to push for new computers. We have a program in government whereby I'm going to make sure we get computers from the Ministry of Education to Alete so that we can have a computer lab here so that we can use our computer. And also we are in the process of with the Ministry of ICT to ensure that the school gets enough to get Wi-Fi so that the teachers and the students can use the Wi-Fi kuweza kubrowse na kusoma na kufanya mambo ya kusaidia shule. Kwa hivyo leo nimewaletea pesa kidogo. I have brought for you 5 million.
Nigo boigo Jhanda abaganiria aboroki wabekera sige 12 amaya kobago chiago chaka amatemwa amanene yo mwako yoiga gochaka omwali wo motienyo yoiga.
I want to wish the candidates who are going to do exams.
Yes.
The candidates who are going to do exams.
Yes.
I want to wish you success and I want to wish you well. Send a team of mine from my team from the CDF watakuja hapa na wale ma candidates pia hivi vitu kidogo geometrical set vitu kidogo msikwame.
Ngolipotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ile Italiane Mildred Momanyi.